Hi guys, welcome to airdrop spot. So you're going to paste the Venom Testnet website link into your browser. That's venom.network/task. I'm going to put the link in the comment section for your convenience. Okay, so the latest task is valicit on Venom Testnet. So you're going to tap on complete tasks. So here is the requirements page, and the first requirement is for us to follow valicit on Twitter. Let me zoom in my screen, okay? So I'm going to tap on that human icon to follow valicit on Twitter. I'll tap on the follow button. Then I'll go back to the requirements page and I'll tap on check to confirm that I have followed. Now that is done, we'll move on to the next task. The next task says buy ticket. So we're going to buy an event ticket on Numi Marketplace. We've done Numi task before. So I'm going to tap on that arrow by the right to take us to the marketplace. And I'll tap on that buy ticket button. It costs 1 Venom Testnet to buy the ticket. There is no promo code, so ignore the promo code button. Tap on buy. And on the next page, you are going to enter the email and name associated with your Numi account. Remember when we did Numi task, we created our account with our name and email. So you're going to enter your name and email and you tap on buy now. Then on the next page, tap on connect wallet and tap on Venom Chrome extension. Remember to always be on desktop mode whenever you are doing Venom task so that I can be able to connect with extension. Now tap on mint ticket. Enter your password, then tap on confirm transaction. So at the point of making this video, my internet connection was very bad. The website kept loading non-stop. So what I did was to go back to our requirements page and confirm if the transaction was successful. Then I tapped on check and then it was marked as done, which means that we have done the transaction. So lastly, I'm going to tap on mint NFT. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, enter your password. And here we have our NFT. So I will go back to our Testnet website now. So as of now, we have done every task that is available on the Venom Testnet. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a screenshot of my NFT achievements. You too can do that once in a while. I'm going to take the screenshot now. So I saved the screenshot, and then what I'm going to do next is to go to Venom Discord server. So under completed task, that is the name of the channel. Under completed task, you can see every other people here dropping their screenshot and their wallet address that they use for the interaction. So I'll drop mine as well. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions, do drop me a comment. If you have found value in any of my contents, do give me a subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.